Hello friends, today I am going to introduce about cryptocurrency industry. Cryptocurrency industry has started in 2009. In that, most famous currency is Bitcoin. There are above 7,000 listed currencies all over the world. The rate of Bitcoin is above 40 lakh, which is the most priced one compared to other currencies. We will get profit only when the price of the cryptocurrency get high. But today I am going to introduce about a cryptocurrency which is 100% risk-free called the Deonexcoin. Deonexcoin has started in March of 2020. It has been currently listed in two exchanges, which is ETHERFLYER and CRYPTOCURRENCIES exchange. The pair of Deonexcoin is Ethereum and USDT. ETHERSCAN is the blockchain of Deonexcoin. Why Deonexcoin is different from other currencies? The specialty with Deonexcoin is that if you have Deonexcoin in your wallet, every day you are getting 0.25% of the coin you are having. For example, if you have 1000 coin in your wallet, you are getting daily 2.5 coin extra in your wallet. How it possible? The total supply of the Deonexcoin is 100 crore. In that, 40% has been set to give profit to the customer. This is one of the best opportunity for you guys. Everyone, don't miss it out. For more details, join our WhatsApp group. The link has been given in the description. Thank you.